Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the mobile version of Instagram on your desktop PC and laptop. Let's begin. First, go and open your favorite browser. I have my Chrome open already. And go to instagram.com, log into your account. And once you are on your home page and inside, I want you to right click on anywhere on the screen and then click on inspect. All right. Once you're here, click on this icon, right? Toggle device toolbar, or you can use Control Shift M as a shortcut. Now, it will show you how it works or how it looks like. You just need to click on dimensions responsive, and it will give you various options on how it will look like on your screen. So we have iPhones, Samsung, and various Android devices you can choose from. So we will choose iPhone 14 Pro Max. For an example, click on it. Then it will reveal the dimensions that is suited and replicating the dimensions of the iPhone 14 Pro Max or pretty much any other device that is available here. Okay. Then you can now scroll down and browse everything on your Instagram. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.